Hello everyone, I welcome you to learn chapter number 2 Fun with Numbers of grade 3. Here, some children are playing under the tamarind tree, means Imli tree. You can see Vicky, Radhika, Gauri, Sunil and Indra are collecting the tamarind seeds, means Imli seeds. Okay. Here some questions are asked based on that. Dash collected the most seeds, means highest number of seed is collected by. You can see Vicky had collected 42, Radhika had collected 24, Gauri had collected 47, Sunil had collected 38 and Indra had collected 54. So highest number of seed is collected by Indra. Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. So Sunil collected 38 seeds and Vicky had collected 42 seeds. So to make 38 42 you have to add 4. So Sunil will collect 4 more seeds to be equal to Vicky. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have dash. You can see Radhika had collected 24 and you will add 6 to it, means 6 more seeds is written here. So you have to add 6. So 24 plus 6 will be 30. How many children have more than 40 seeds? You can see Vicky, Gauri, Indra, means 3 children have more than 40 seeds. Dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. So you can see Gauri has 47 seeds. If we add 3 to it, it will become 50. So Gauri needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. More than 40 means 40 plus 2 means 42. 42 seeds are collected by Vicky. So Vicky has 42 seeds means Vicky has 2 seeds more than 40. Okay. Now next is the dot game. Here you have to play it by your own. You have to circle the dots and guess the number of dots and then count it and ensure that you have guessed the right number of dots. And you can play it with your family members or by your own. Dhoni's century. Here, one day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India batting first. Commentator is saying Dhoni on 96. Only one ball left. Will he complete his century? Here, century means 100 runs. Okay. Dhoni has completed 96 runs, but one ball is left. Now, he is asking, will he complete 100 runs? And look at this. What a marvelous 6. At the last ball, Dhoni hit 6. Now here the lady is asking, has he completed his century? Our answer will be of course yes, because 96 plus 6 will be 102. So Dhoni has completed his century. Now here it is asked, how many runs do this player need to complete a century? You can see player 1 has scored 93 runs. If he scores 7 runs, then he will complete his century, means 93 plus 7 will be 100. Player 2 has scored 97 runs. If we add 3 to it, then we will get 100. Like that, you have to add the numbers to get 100. So if we add 89 with 11, we get 100. 99 with 1, we will get 100. Now here it is asked, after 99 we go on like this, means after 99 it is 100, 101, 102, like that we go on like that. Here some numbers are mentioned and some number names are mentioned, means some numbers in words are mentioned. Okay, as you can see 102 and there is a blank, so 102 is 102. You have to write 102 there. Then in below there is written 105 in words, so you have to write 105 in figure, like 105, and you have to fill in the blanks like that. Top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. Now you can see there is the list of the players who have scored top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. Okay, so here some questions are asked. Dhoni just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? So you can see Dhoni had scored 99. So he missed his century. But by how many runs? 99 plus 1 is 100. So by how many run? By 1 run. Dash and Dash scored almost equal runs. So you can see Gavaskar and Dhoni almost scored equal runs because there is the difference of only 1 run between them. Dash scored a complete century, no less, no more. So you can see Gavaskar has scored a complete century, means complete 100 run. So here our answer will be Gavaskar. Most runs scored by any batsman are. So you can see highest run is scored by Dhawan, that is 178. So most runs scored by any batsman are 178. Dash and Dash have a difference of just 1 run between them. So you can see Gavaskar and Dhoni have a difference of 1 run between them. Dash scored 2 more than 1.5 century. 1 century is 100, half century is 50. So if we add 150, it will be 150, and 2 more runs means 150 plus 2 will be 152. Who scored 152 here? Then Rahane. Counting in tens. So here you have to count 10 to each number, right? Like 10, 20, 30, then you have to count 10, then it will be 40, then you have to count 10, then it will be 50, like that. Here second and third table is similar to the first table, but in the fourth table the first blank is not given. So what you have to do is you have to subtract 10 from 720, means 720 minus 10 will be 710. So you have to write in the first blank, and in the below blanks you have to just add 10 up to 800. Counting in 50s. So here you have to add 50 to each number. So here 250 is already given, so you have to add 50, you will get 300. Then 350 is given, you have to add 50, you will get 400, and adding 50 to 400 you will get 450. Like that you have to go up to 800 here, up to the blank. How far can you go like this? So there is no number that you can stop there. And what is the biggest number you can call out? There are infinite numbers, so you can't call out any biggest number. Okay, rest of the part we will cover in part 2.